Newton's first law of motion. In our everyday life, we observe that effort is required to put a stationary object into motion or to stop a moving object. Have you ever wondered if a ball kicked on the ground would keep moving forever or after some time would naturally stop moving? The ball will continue to move unless an object of force stops it. Here comes Newton's first law, which states a body continues to be in its state of rest or of uniform motion unless acted upon by an unbalanced external force. To understand Newton's first law, you need to understand what unbalanced force is. If you have seen a game of tug of war, you would have seen two teams pulling a rope in opposite direction. If the rope doesn't move, the rope force is applied by the team or balanced force is as there are equal magnitude in opposite direction. If one of the team applies greater force, it pulls the other team in the rope towards their sides. In this case, the forces are unbalanced as the two forces are of unequal magnitude in the opposite directions. If one of the teams is let go, the opposite team falls backward. This tendency to fall backward despite letting go of the rope is due to inertia. That is, if an object is at rest, it tends to remain at rest, and if it is in motion, it tends to stay in motion. Property of an object is called its inertia. Inertia can be classified into three categories: inertia of rest, inertia of direction, inertia of motion. Certain experience that we have while traveling in bus can be explained on the basis of the two of inertia. When a passenger is standing in a stationary bus that suddenly moves, the movement pushes the passenger backward. Why does this happen? This is due to the inertia of rest experienced by the passenger in the upper part of his body. The body is at rest when the bus is at rest when the bus starts off all a sudden. The lower part of body is in contact with the vehicle that is starting moving, whereas the upper part of the body continues to be at rest because of the inertia of rest. Inertia of rest is tendency of a body resist of change in its state of rest. What happens when a fast moving bus negotiates the right hand curve on the road? The passengers will tilt to the left. Inertia of direction, the tendency of a body to oppose the change in the direction of its motion. With the application of a sharp brakes, the bus stops all of a sudden and the passenger tends to fall forward. This is due to inertia of motion experienced by the upper part of the body. When the bus is moving, the whole body of the passenger in its state of motion. A sudden half caused the lower part of the passenger's body that is in contact with the bus to come to rest. However, the upper portion of his body remains in the state of motion due to the inertia of motion, causing the passenger to fall forward when the bus stops suddenly. Inertia of motion is the tendency of a body to resist a change in its state of uniform motion. This is Newton's first law. It is also called the law of inertia. Now, do you understand why a ball on the ground after being kicked does not keep moving forever? The ball stops after some time due to the unbalanced external force applied by the ground in the opposite direction.